It's easier to just buy a G-body.
What are you doing? Whoa.
Trying to take it apart.
So we had I guess he's, you know, on my Instagram?
I'll follow him now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we had a guy watching a video that had this piece for us, so he sent it. Well, we bought it from him, and he sent it, and it's a real good piece. Like, there was other people that they weren't willing to take good pictures, you know, and then what'd they say? Rust in the usual spot, like with no picture.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this one's doable, man. It's a good piece.
Because we can't find the repops.
Can't find the repops, man. So really, we bought this piece for this section right here, which, I mean, you probably could have made by me.
Or you're not even gonna see it.
The bumper actually, you know what? It's gonna be solid. That's the point. So,
it's actually pretty hard trying to take it apart and without damaging
the part.
the part.
Dissecting it.
Yep.
So with this, you're just gonna cut the chunk out, or you got to dissect it also.
I don't think it's fully welded. I don't think this thing's fully welded.
What about right here? You're just gonna come straight down?
Just gonna cut it straight down. Or I'm gonna go a little bit further and then go little by little.
Yeah.
Don't want to ruin the new quarter.
So this is today's project.
Taking off old rust.
Yeah. Taking off old rust to put new rust. Okay. So I'll bring you back once he gets it trimmed up. All right. What'd you do? Cut the old out?
Spent about
3 hours?
probably more.
4 hours?
10.
Total? Okay.
10. What was that? 4, 5, 6. 6 hours?
6 hours, man. You cut the old out surgically, right? From all the spot welds?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it a replacement piece?
Did the same thing on this one.
Surgically removed it, and then you air punched it, or
Yeah, punched it with the tool.
yeah, the air. Yeah, that thing come in handy, huh? And you already test fit it, and this is just that weld through primer stuff, huh?
Yep. So now I just gotta put it on, and
Weld it up.
that should be the easy part. Should be.
Does it fit pretty good?
Okay. You put it in.
Yeah. Okay. Man, that popped in nice. That's where the original piece comes in versus repop. All right.
So set up the welder and do the welder.
Yeah, so we'll bring you guys back once it's welded and grind. Well, so no weld here, huh? It's just all spot welded.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it has a spot welds on the inside where it meets.
You gonna do that in there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right, you punched it. Okay. All right, we'll bring you guys back when it's welded. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Welding.
Okay. Looks good.
It's too far in.
Oh, come on, man. What are you talking about?
It does stick out a little bit for a trim.
That's what I'm saying. Maybe we should have had the trunk on. You already welded it?
Nope.
Oh, I see. What about... Yeah, it's too far in. You want me to pull while you,
Yeah.
weld?
Yeah.
Where you gonna weld it?
In the back.
Okay. Let's go see what this fool's doing. this side too? Oh my God. You gonna go the whole side? Are you getting ready? You're getting ready to weld?
No, it's okay.
Oh. Why you had to do this? Why do you think?
Because I bought a rusty car.
No, I mean when we put the quarters on, we had the trunk on. Fuck, I don't know, man. Anyways, man, we moved it over here to the little paint room, man. We're gonna paint it in 2 days. We never adjusted this, huh? I wouldn't do the whole thing. Maybe to about right here.
Yeah.
Fine. I'll go back to what I was doing. That's nice.
What?
That fit? Maybe a little down low. Open. I mean, that's if you're gonna keep that piece. A little bit down here.
Probably will keep it.
Yeah, man.
Can't even find it.
Yeah. And then the bumper covers most of it, man. All right. Had a lot of people asking what you've been doing, Bobby. You want to tell them what you've been doing? Been asking for updates on the 62.
Slowly attacking metal. All the roads. So where's the little gap to? Running out of space over here.
Yeah, tight quarters.
Is it over here?
Yeah, it's right there. Even it rusted.
Yeah. So I got this big kid blocks gap tool.
316? Or what?
It's quarter.
Quarter-inch gap?
Yeah, so you just check the gap.
So you gap this whole side?
Both sides.
Both sides? So this side, they're done. A little bit more up here.
Yeah, well I can't get to it because of the trunk.
You need to take trunk off.
Yeah. So you just basically what you do is put it against the trunk and just drive it.
And that's where you cut.
Yeah.
What size wheel you use?
I'm just using the grinder.
The cutoff wheel on the grinder?
Yeah.
On an electric grinder?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks good.
Yeah.
And then when you paint it, they have a plastic one. So they have a plastic one that's I think it's 3/16. Then you check it.
For like filler work?
Yeah, after you're done with painting, I guess. When you're trying to align all the.
Oh, so don't scratch the paint.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Huh. So you had to gap both quarters. Why? Do you know why?
I think when we cut this off.
The quarters sunk in.
Yeah.
So we should have braced them.
But I did put this back where the original was, so I don't know.
It's real strange.
I guess because this must have been smaller than the original one.
And to make it meet up, it brought the quarter in.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then also fixed this today.
So this piece, we've been looking, it's on back order. Everybody's back order. They've been back order for forever. Hubbard's claims that they have it, but they don't.
Yeah.
So you fixed it.
Yeah, first I had to cut the bottom up here, which I think I need to spray. No, I did. And I basically copied the passenger side, and I mirrored it and put it on here.
So a new bottom section.
Yeah. And so that's why I cut it off. I took it off to replace this. But I also cut it right here because I knew I was gonna have to
Gap that too.
Gap that too.
Sheesh. A lot of gapping, Bobby.
And then slowly I started copying all the contours on that piece. So the same thing over there, copy the little triangle, all the little pieces.
So you made all those pieces and welded them all.
Yeah. So almost like that, whatever. And basically I took it to the other side and mirrored it the other way. No, right?
Yeah. Wow.
I think it looks okay.
Yeah, no, it looks fine, man. And actually, the bumper probably goes up to.
Yeah, I think the bumper comes to like right here because I have this piece, and that don't even cover where I wrote it. Cause the well was like down here.
So the bumper will cover all this. It's just gonna show. Well, we're gonna paint that. So.
Yeah.
But that's easy. You could body work that with your finger.
Yeah. So I'm not even gonna use that. So.
Just this piece.
No.
No. Why?
We're just gonna put the lights and the Bel Air emblem. So we're gonna have lights. Those lights, 61.
61 lights.
And I just Chevrolet right here.
And that's it.
Yeah, Chevrolet square.
No trim in the middle.
No. Like a 62.
But this too then.
Yeah, I didn't have this.
Okay.
Like a 62 Bel Air.
Okay.
Yep. So yeah, it's been fun. Oh, and not only when you cut it here, not only do you gotta check the gap.
Is that gonna latch?
You can. No, it's not gonna let you. If you don't slam it, it won't latch. Also, when you cut it here, you gotta keep checking like the height, because when you cut it, that
It wants to
come down.
wave. Yeah. Man. So you say about 2 more hours of work on that,
Yeah.
and then what? Rocker?
And then the rockers.
Both sides?
Yeah.
Oh, then we gotta align the doors, huh?
I think that one's already done.
Wasn't it closed?
So the way this thing works is, like right here, you put it against the door and then go scribe.
Oh, I see.
So you gotta cut. You.
I wouldn't do that.
Oh yeah.
What do you do about this? Leave that?
No, I'm gonna weld that up.
Weld that up.
Yeah, but you see how this one's a little bit lower than
Yeah.
that one, so I gotta match it up. And then match this up. I won't do it.
So right now it's just sitting there.
Yeah, just sitting there.
When you do that, that might change the gap right here.
Maybe.
Maybe. Are you glad you bought this car?
Oh yeah, I did trim it here and
Line it up.
make sure it was lined up with the door.
Are you glad you bought this car?
Hell no. I hate this car.
This is next, huh?
For various reasons.
ABA. Man. That damn trip hazard, Bobby.
Oh yeah, it's coming along.
How many hours do you think you got in this?
Oh damn. What,
Like 40? Like
Oh,
4
what?
like 4 weekends?
On trunk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or 40? Or 5 weekends, 8 hours?
And that's actually working. Like I help you a little bit, but
Yeah.
it won't take long. I mean, I ain't gonna help you all day long.
That looks good, man. That's better than buying it. Although, if it was $100, I'm sure you would have rather spent the $100. But then you would probably still have to gap it.
Yeah. Yeah, then it's if they come back in the market tomorrow.
Yeah, next weekend.
Because we've been looking and we can't even buy a used one.
No, there's nothing. And the ones that are used need the same repair.
Yeah.
Now the passenger one came in clutch. That was good.
Yeah.
But you can't find driver. All right. Well, that was the update. Still here. Still here.
It's just too much work that there's no point in recording every day.
Yeah, right. Because it's the same old stuff and it's loud. It's loud and it makes a mess. All right. Well, that's the update. Bring you guys back, I guess, once all this is finished up. I'll stay tuned.